Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance, and I hope you're ready. I thank you for clicking on this video each and every time. The name of this line dance is called "It's About You" 757. I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. Beginners friendly dance. So before I do that, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. This is the step-by-step instruction. If you would like to dance to the music, watch till the end and let's dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leaves me a comment. Guys, thank you so very kindly. I appreciate each and every comment. Thank you. Also, thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in record time and we are looking forward to having a great time, okay? All right, guys, are you ready? Let's go. So, check this out. I got some gems for you. Although this is a beginner's friendly dance, remember how I always say, hey, you can easily cue this and just call it out. Not this one. The way that she put this together, AKILI, it has to be a beginner that's been dancing for a minute, because there's some few skills that you're picking up in this dance, okay? Although it's a beginner's dance, it's not a novice or someone just coming to your class, okay? So I would actually stop and teach this dance because of some of the steps that she put in, okay? So she put in, the first step is, for instance, my weight is on the left. She slides up, 1, hold 2, tap 2, and hold 3 and 4. So typically when somebody comes to your class, they're not used to holding the beat, okay? So that's why I wouldn't just call it out. I would teach this one. So you slide up, 1, tap 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, back 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? So what you do on the right, you're doing on the left, but you're holding on 1, 2, holding on 3, okay? So that's typically someone that's just coming in your class that's not used to doing that. So here we go. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, hold 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1. Back 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me slow that down a little bit. So my weight is on my left. I slide, tap back, and hold. Tap out, in. So it's 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, and 4. Then rock it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide up left, tap back. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4. Rock again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Then she does a camel walk back. Right, left, right, left, right. Again, right, left, right, left, right. Because that slide brought you up. I don't know if y'all know AKILI, MCLAMORE. I love her choreography. It's very simple, but she kind of breaks it up a little bit, give you an opportunity to think. That's very important, okay? Especially us that's older. We need mental exercise also. Not always the same thing you do on the right, you do on the left, okay? So, I like her choreography. So, we camel walk back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because the slide moved us up, okay? So here, I'm here, going from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, back 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, hold 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the slide brought us up. The camel walk gonna bring us back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's slow, slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sit back on your left and back on your right with rock, recover. Okay, that's different. 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of rolling back, 1, 2, 3, 4, rolling back with a tap. 1, 2, rock back, recover. Putting that weight back on the left. Right up, right back. So that's why she did a rock back recover. So she can go up on that right. 1, 2, rock 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put that together. So we slide up on the right and we rock and do that on the left. We come back with our camel walk. Then we roll back on the left, rock back, recover. Right back, recover. Rocking chair, right up and right back. And so the next step is going to get us to our next wall. The dance move counterclockwise to our left. 4 wall dance, okay? From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, back 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, camel walk, 1, 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Stepping on that right again. Step, pivot to our wall, okay, on the right. Come forward on that right. Right and pivot. So she did do like a step dip. Step dip, dip, pivot. Right shoulder come forward, going to your left wall. My right heel is up and I start with a triple step. Right, left, left. I'm going to say my last step is going to be 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. So the last step is going to be on my left. 7 and 8 and. Okay? My right heel is up. I start up, over, sliding up. Okay? So I'm going to say you're going up 4 times. So you step pivot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. 1, 2. Okay? So it's right, left. Your weight is going to be on the left. Okay? Let's put it together. All right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, camel walk, 1, 2, 3 and 4, roll 5, 6, rock 7, 8, up 1, 2, back 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. All right, so let's do it 2 times. So stand on this side of the room, look in this direction. Okay, stand over here, not over there, over here. You're looking in this direction. We're dancing side by side, okay? So we're going to do it twice without stopping. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, slide up. It's 1, back 2, 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, slide left, 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, camel walk, 1, 2, 3 and 4, left 5, 6, rock 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8, slide 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, camel 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Did you get it? Did you get it? You in this dance, this beginner dance, although it's beginners, you're learning several things, okay? You're learning to pause. You're teaching your students to pause, almost like holding the beat, cheating the beat, or whatever they call it, okay? That's one thing. The dance moving up, now you're doing a directional change. Coming back, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Instead of coming back on the left and tapping, back on the right, tapping. No, she come back on the left and then do a rock recover. Come on, you're doing 2 different things, okay? Then doing a step, pivot, turn, right, left, right, and taking that extra step to start on the right. Hey, you gotta love it. That is, it's about you. 757. So, I would, talking to my class, I would share some of these tips with them because I know it would be a little challenge for them, but I would tell them why. You know, everything you do, first of all, you're holding the beat, the things that I just finished talking about. That's why they like, well, why I'm having trouble, why? And also, you won't get frustrated as an instructor because you're like, come on, this is a beginner's day and why y'all not picking it up? It's different skills in this one dance, okay? Directional changes. I told you, you're moving up, you're moving back, you're doing a sit back on the left with a rock recover on the right. That's 2 different things. We used to rolling back on the right and rolling back on the left. No, you're using 2 different skills, okay? So that's why they're not gonna pick it up just like that. So I hope those little tips help you because I share that with my my students, and I tell them that you need muscle memory, not only in the brain, which is a muscle, but your footwork. So it takes a little time, especially if you're used to doing what you're doing on the right, you're doing on the left. Okay, that's difficult to come from that and then come from this. So that's why I always mix it up with my student and I always challenge them mentally, okay? And they just love it because it just prepares them for the next level. I don't want them to stay beginners forever. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you share this video. And also, if you haven't done so, please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.